Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT as a beginner. This is just basically a ChatGPT tutorial video. I'm sure you must have been hearing about ChatGPT. If you're not living under the rocks, you must have been hearing about it, right? But if you're just hearing about it for the first time, then stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you're just joining my channel or listening to me for the first time, I would love you to hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can get notified of my upcoming videos. For the sake of those of us that are just hearing about ChatGPT for the first time, it is a chat box that's launched by AI. By AI, I mean artificial intelligence, right? So this chat box can actually conduct meaningful conversations like you're talking to a human being, as if you're talking to a person, right? And it can produce answers to basically any questions you ask it. So if you're a writer, a content creator, or you just need to generate content for your website or assignments or anything, then this AI is just what you need right now. So jump on it and you'll be happy like this young lady here in the video. So once you open your browser, type chat.openai.com in the search bar and log in or sign up if you are just using the site for the first time. Once you verify your account, you get to the interface and you can either click here to turn on your light mode or dark mode depending on your preferences. Okay, so this bar below here is where you ask ChatGPT your questions or asking it to perform various tasks for you. And if you're not satisfied with the answer it provides, you can ask it to generate more by clicking regenerate response. Okay, and it will give you more information just like it is doing right now. Okay, right now I want you to give me 3 different recipes for pancake. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah, can you see this? This is cool and interesting, right? If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Bye.